Delhi elections results has been a big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party. The party's future is in dark as Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, along with the other top leaders, lost their seats. However, there was one silver lining, that was Atishi winning Kalkaji. And after that, she took out a roadshow, a victory roadshow. She broke into a dance, she shook her leg, and that video went viral and raised many eyebrows. Swati Maliwal, who is the Rajya Sabha MP, has torn into Atishi, raising questions, even going on to call it shameless. Take a listen in to what Atishi had said after her dance went viral.
सबसे पहले तो मैं कालकाजी विधानसभा की जनता का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ जो उन्होंने मुझ पे भरोसा दिखाया। मैं अपनी पूरी टीम का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ जिन्होंने बाहुबल, गुंडागर्दी, मार पिटाई का सामना भी करते हुए जमीनी स्तर पे मेहनत करी और जनता तक पहुंचे। बाकी दिल्ली की जनता का जनादेश है, हमें जनादेश स्वीकार है। ये मैं अपनी सीट जीती हूँ, लेकिन ये जीत का समय नहीं है, ये जंग का समय ही है। जंग जारी रहेगी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ, उनकी तानाशाही और उनकी गुंडागर्दी के खिलाफ। आम आदमी पार्टी हमेशा गलत के खिलाफ लड़ती आई है और हमेशा गलत के खिलाफ लड़ती रहेगी। ये जरूर एक सेटबैक है, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी का संघर्ष दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए, देश के लोगों के लिए कभी खत्म नहीं होगा। मैम प्लीज।
And in fact, Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal is live with us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us on Republic TV. And you've given a very sharp reaction. You've called it shameless. Now, Atishi was the silver lining for the Aam Aadmi Party, while the top guns of the party lost their seats. So she was celebrating her victory, at least what we understand. But you are saying that it is shameless. You're questioning what was she celebrating, ma'am. Can you please elaborate?
I think it is absolutely shameless. She is one of our important leaders. She was the Chief Minister of Delhi. And on a day where the entire party has lost 22 seats we got out of the earlier 62 seats. And on top of it, Arvind Kejriwal ji, Manish Sisodia ji, everybody lost. On such a day, Atishi, just because she won, not only takes out a victory march, but actually dances in it. I don't understand, what is she celebrating? I think the visuals that came across, I think they sent a very wrong message amongst our cadre, amongst the people at large, because people are questioning, what the hell is she celebrating? It is so unfortunate that the entire party has lost. I mean, there is this feeling of impending doom. And Miss Marlena decides to celebrate because only she won. So is she celebrating the fact that only she won out of all the top leadership? I think it was quite shameful. And मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि राजनीति चमक भी जाए पर इंसानियत खत्म हो जाए तो ऐसा अच्छा ही बात नहीं है. I don't appreciate it.
So after this she said that जीत का ये जंग का समय है, जश्न का नहीं है. She said that she is very sad about how the Aam Aadmi Party performed and of course got defeated. But you think, as what I can figure out from what you're saying, that this is somewhere a part tussle also that is now brewing after Arvind Kejriwal and all the top guns are defeated. Atishi is now maybe trying to project herself in a certain way, and this could be just the beginning of or maybe it's already brewing what we call a power tussle within the party.
What is she trying to project? How can she dance and laugh and celebrate on a day where everybody has lost? I think it is very unfortunate. I think it is quite shameful too. And I actually couldn't believe it. I first thought that maybe this is an old video. But then I realized that this is her video dancing and celebrating the complete loss of our party and the leadership. So I think it is just shameful. I really don't. I fail to understand what is it that she's trying to do and what is it that she's trying to project. You see, recently, a few months back, when Manish Sisodia ji, he came out of jail, we saw these dramatic photographs of Atishi Marlena ji crying on TV. So when Manish Sisodia ji comes out of jail, she cries. But when he loses, She's actually celebrating. I don't understand what is the messaging, what is it that she's trying to project. It's just very, very unfortunate, especially the timing of what she has done. And on a day where everybody else has lost, it just shows a different, it shows that there's something very unsettling, something very deeply wrong and in what she has done. And I think it's extremely unfortunate.
Right. Swati Maliwal, thanks so much for joining us with your thoughts on this story that we're tracking. We continue to get you more updates from the national capital, with the Delhi polls now being done and dusted, BJP basking in its remarkable comeback victory after 27 years. The focus has shifted to the government formation and, of course, most importantly, who will be the chief minister. Now, BJP's Delhi chief, Viren Sachdeva, wrote to the Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena, seeking his time to visit along with the 48 other elected BJP MLAs. And several probable CM names are also doing the rounds. Giant slayer Parvesh Verma being the front-runner, Vijendra Gupta and Sachdeva as well being seen as the front-runners. Take a look.
गुड़गांव आगे निकल गया, गाजियाबाद और मेरठ भी आगे निकल गया दिल्ली से। क्यों? वहाँ मोदी जी की सरकार है। अब दिल्ली सबसे आगे निकलेगा। दिल्ली के अंदर शुद्ध हवा होगी, शुद्ध पानी होगा, साफ यमुना जी होंगी, नई सड़कें होंगी और गगन चुम्बती इमारतें होंगी। अब आप दिल्ली में बदलाव देखिए कितनी तेज़ी से आएगा।
हाँ, निश्चित रूप से 1998 से लेकर 2008 तक मैं यहाँ का विधायक रहा और विधायक रहने के बाद मैंने बहुत से ऐसे कार्य किए थे। निश्चित रूप से सब लोगों ने मुझे आशीर्वाद दिया और मैंने ऐसा ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं देखा कि 3 पीढ़ियों के लोगों का वोट मुझे मिला है। दादा भी दे रहा था, बेटा भी दे रहा था, पोता भी दे रहा था।
प्रजातंत्र में जो मनीष सिसोदिया ने वर्डिंग की मेरे बारे में, केजरीवाल ने की, ये उनको नहीं शोभा देती थी कि ये गुंडा विधायक खड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पर। हर जगह यही बात कही उन्होंने, लेकिन लोगों ने बता दिया